Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to yet another video that I'm bringing you right from this beautiful place of Kiambu County. So now we are in the southern bypass, moving all the way, and today's video I'm just going to show you how beautiful this place is and how the most fertile land has been turned into development, into residential homes, and into very nice and beautiful shops and very beautiful roads over here. So this is, we are diverting from the southern bypass, the Alliance area, and just to show you how beautiful this place is and how fertile this place is. If you are new here, before we continue, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Just drop a comment and tell me what you think about this awesome and beautiful video right here. So this area here is Alliance High School, around Alliance boys and around Alliance guys. Over the top through this, on top is the southern bypass. Some concrete from one place to the other. And also this is Mayahe. Mayahe is a road, a village, a very fertile village that people are cropping in and moving in as fast as possible, just to make sure that they reside there, they have beautiful homes right there. So look at the road. This road is super and very awesome and beautiful right here in Kiambu. So this is Mayahe, and I think this Mayahe road, and this is very beautiful place. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how this place looks like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and support me. Just support me through this video, and all will be well. Look at that. Look at the trees, the way beautiful trees are, the way that the maize is around this place. The eucalyptus are growing as nice, as good as possible, as beautiful, and everything is moving on good. And I think this is a very important place. Look at that. These are all fences. People are fencing those places just to make, maybe to split them. And on this wall that you are seeing on your left, this place is the member of parliament of Kikuyu constituency, that is Honorable Ichungwa's home residence. So that's his place, and over there, right there, that wall there, that is his perimeter wall. So you can see on your left is a police post where the security is. He has also already has a police post. And this one over here, this is a most prestigious school called Green Gardens School, International School. So it's a very beautiful school over right there. Look at the perimeter wall that are there, and opposite that school, look at the maize. That maize is very awesome. It all tells you that it comes out of the very fertile place area, and where people enjoy the fruits. So look at that. The drainage is super and beautiful and awesome in this area right here. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Yes, see the maize, how it is, but people are moving in as fast as possible, quickly into this place. You see, look at that. The walls are there, the perimeter walls, the nice gates are built all right there. The buildings are super awesome in this place. The schools are coming up as fast as possible. People are enjoying this place and are moving in this place so fast. So this one, it threatens the security of food. It threatens food security in the country. So ladies and gentlemen, let's try to make sure that we try to, if at all we can segregate some land for development and building development and buildings, so that some part of the land we can curb the food security. So this junction right here, that is called Gikambura Center. So this is the Gikambura Center, and in Gikambura town, it is an area where so many people come from, where people stay. There's a very big market, a very big town right inside Gikambura town, Gikambura. So look at that. And something that I've noticed is that this place over here, every small town has a hardware. So that means the degree of people, or the degree in which people are developing this place, is as fast as possible. Ladies and gentlemen, this place is awesome. This place is developing as fast as possible, and everything here is very nice and very sweet. So that road that goes, we are diverting to the left, going to we are going to Kamangu, but that road that you are seeing direct, that you have left on your right there, that one, or that straight road, it goes all the way to Gikambura main market, or Gikambura CBD. And how awesome this place looks like. The petrol stations are here, very nice and very awesome. The petrol stations, meaning there are so many motor vehicles or cars in this place here. So mostly you can, the lorries, what, but the most means of transport here, or what people use mostly in this place, are the matatus from this place right here. So guys, enjoy the view, enjoy the view, enjoy the travel as we move on swiftly. We dropped by this petrol station here just to get some gas for our car as we are moving on through, cruising through this beautiful and awesome road right here. So thank you so much for checking out. Thank you for everything. Thank you for supporting this channel right here. So look at that, the buildings are just coming up, buildings everywhere, and buildings every point of this road are just new and awesome, beautiful, awesome houses right here. So you can see the development, you can see the roads, how beautiful roads are in Kiambu town. So look at that. Just to remind you, this is still Gikambura area, the localities of Gikambura. So it's still called Gikambura in Kiambu County. So look at that. That's Mombasa in Gikambura. Okay, why it's called Mombasa, it's because of those horns there. They resembles the horns that are in Mombasa. So this is a beautiful place, beautiful area that people are moving in very fast, and this one limit the food production in this place right here. So as people move in, so hospitals are being constructed, homes, schools, rental places, and so many things that are working on. So ladies and gentlemen, it is a threat to the food production in the country, because so many people are creating homes, are constructing, and the plots are subdivided into 50 by 100. All those things are really threatening the security of food production in this particular area here, in the country at large, in the society at large. So ladies and gentlemen, at least if the government can, I don't know what's your thought, but if the government can think of segregating some land, or restricting some land in some areas, so that people can make food, can grow food, can do food production, a lot of food production in those areas. That's just my thought. What about your thought? Just let me know from the comment section below, so that we see what what is your feeling about my comments or what I'm trying to inform you. So this is still Gikambura area, and let's enjoy as we move on. This one here is the end of Gikambura area. So we are now entering to the Nairobi Ndogo estate here in Kiambu town. Why is it called Nairobi Ndogo? Is because so many people, so many big people, so many the rich people are staying in this beautiful place here called Nairobi Ndogo in Kiambu County. So this is how the Kiambu or the people have converted this place into a residential place. So when you get inside these places, inside there, you'll see that so many people have settled there, posing a threat to the food productivity of this great country of ours in Kenya. So look at these beautiful places here. Look at the schools are coming up very fast. Big people are coming in. Everybody is working on in this place, working very, very hard to make sure they get something. They stay in these places, the places that look like very silent, the hiding places. So they come to these areas here, areas like this, to develop them. So it's not only in this place that has been converted into residential area. Farms have been converted into residential areas, but different places in this country have been converted, have been developed heavily to make sure that people reside inside there, and posing a threat in the food productivity of this country, of everybody. So ladies and gentlemen, as we are cruising through this beautiful and awesome land of Kiambu, the Kisumu Ndogo, let's think about it, reflect about it. In the next 30 years or 20 years, will there be food produced in this country really? But anyway, let's leave it to God and let's continue. Everybody needs to stay in a very decent and very awesome place, but government should look at that. Look at the developing houses right there. People are developing day in, day out. People are making houses. People are constructing beautiful things right here. So in this place right where we are right now is called Kamangu Estate. So this is Kamangu, where people are also, the development is also developing, the place is also developing so fast, so quick, and this is very far, some kilometers, good kilometers away from Nairobi, from Kikuyu town, from Kiambu town, from Karen. So this place here is awesome and very beautiful. Look at that, the petrol stations are very everywhere, and the development is wow and super awesome. Yes. Just to remind you, if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Make sure you like the video, comment, drop a comment, tell me what do you think about this video, what do you think about this content right here, what do you think the government should do just to curb and reduce this development and have some land for food production in the country. So this, look at the beautiful place, the beautiful, very very awesome area and very fertile place right here. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the support, thank you for the love. We are dreaming big, so that, look at the schools. We are dreaming very big to make sure that we give you a very nice and good content right here from the Love of Theo channel. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, share, and drop a comment. Tell me what do you think about this awesome and beautiful video right here. This fertile area, what should be done apart from development? What's your view? Just have comment, drop a comment somewhere down below to tell us, do you think this should continue, this development should continue? And do you think all these developments that are coming up, is it a threat to the food production of this country, of the nation? Yes, of Africa. Is it threatening Africa if all countries they develop as this fast, and they limiting the land that is produces crops for this country? Do you think this country do you think this is the right path for us to follow? So ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that subscribe button, share, drop a comment, and let's give your view about this place. This place here is called Gikambura Kamangu. So now this is the Kamangu center right here that we are approaching right ahead. So ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Look at the view and the beautiful place of Kamango. So in Kikuyu, Kamangu is pronounced as Kamango. So this area here is called Kamango area, but it's written as Kamangu. So awesome and beautiful place, um, right here. So ladies and gentlemen, as we are proceeding, make sure you hit that subscribe button, share the video, drop a comment. Just tell me what do you think about this video right here. Should this continue? What do you think? What is in your mind about this video right here? So ladies and gentlemen, I would beg to stop this video here, to end this video right in this place here. If you like this content, please make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are new. If this is your second time, thank you for supporting, thank you for subscribing. Make sure you like the video, make sure you comment, you drop a comment to this video so that everything goes on well. And please support me, support your son, support love of Theo, and great things are coming from the love of Theo. Hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so that in every video that we upload you get a notification of all the videos that are uploaded in this channel. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Adios.